I can create connections between my course and future goals or career pathways.
They're basically learning how to solder. So the very first project that they did is non-operational. So what they do is they just basically start learning how to solder the components into the circuit board. And then after that, they get 3 different projects that actually does something. So either flashing or like a chaser.
So far, it's watching the circuit that you've already made work and light up, so that's actually kind of cool.
When they come in here, some of them don't know how to even pick up a screwdriver. So I think these classes that we offer in the Specialty Center, they are really useful in taking the intimidation out of using tools, knowing how to, for example, fix something.
It's really helpful to know like how to do these sort of things, so maybe you don't have to pay for electricity, you can do it maybe yourself.